Drop the knife. Drop it. Drop it.
Please.
If you make noise, I'll chop off your head.
Please spare my life. I'm the only son.
Why should I spare your life?
I'm the only son.
Chiono. You're the only son. Why should I spare your life? When you are terrorizing the clan of Mbitolu, you never knew that you're the only son.
It's my manipulation. Please spare my life.
Chiono, ask me where. Why should I spare your life? When you were busy terrorizing the clan of Mbitolu, you never knew that you're the only son of your father. Huh?
Please, my uncle sent me. Please spare my life.
I am going to spare you. But you quietly take us to the hideout of Ndiobu soldiers.
Hey, no, I can't do that. They will say I sabotage them because...
Oh, then get ready to die.
Please. I will take you.
You will take me there.
I will take you.
You take me there.
I will take you.
You people are the menace of Mbitolu. Killing, raping the women and the children of Mbitolu. But you know what? Today will be the end of it. Are you going to take me there?
I will take you.
Get up. Get up. Get up.
Thank you so much. It was a great experience.
Yes, it was. And I thank the gods of our land for making it a success. And we were well appreciated by the people of Mbitolu.
Dike! Please, next time this comes up, please, don't fail to call me.
No, why should I forget you? I won't, my friend. I mean, you're my best friend and my war partner.
Dike na rimba! I can be the one more who war. Ogene!
I need to go home and rest. I will come to your house later.
It is okay.
Odogu.
I will see you.
Odogu.
You have a nice day.
Kanjaba. Udo.
My in-laws. That is why we are here. Ekanemu unu.
Mazin Dubueze. Ekanenge. None.
Hey. Ogunu.
Oh, bye.
My in-laws, we have heard you and we welcome you. Now, having fulfilled all the required marriage rights, we call on our daughter to come and show us who her husband is. When she comes, she will take a cup of palm wine from her father, my elder brother here, Ichie Maduka, and then proceed to give it to whoever is the man that had captured her heart. Whoever she gives the cup of palm wine to automatically becomes her husband.
How come here? No, yeah. I can hear the sound of a war. What is going on and where is it coming from?
Oh, it's Maduka's daughter that is wedding.
Which Maduka?
It's Maduka Ejezie of Ini Edo kindred.
Which of his daughters? Don't tell me it's Olamma.
Does he have any other daughter apart from Olamma? Is there any problem?
No problem. Thank you, eh? Thank you.
Okay.
There you go. Oluona no mume.
Oka para bisi keje kwe. Yeah.
We would enter. Olamma. Adam wine. How?
Watch up, watch up.
Okay, well now. Okay, well. You're going to take this drink. We don't know amongst all these men who is your husband. It is whoever you hand this drink over and he drinks, that is the man that will take you home as your husband. As you get there, you sip and give it to whoever. We are watching. Well, yeah. Obini go kwije o.
Hey!
Obini kwije.
Kedu onye obu?
Yeah.
Go say. Oye nke. Hey, no, which way? This way.
Come here.
Eh?
Oh my name.
To the right or to the left? Eh? Which way? No, who?
Oh my jam.
Who are we looking for? Who are we looking for?
Don't mind them.
Hey! I'm a
Hello, Mello. Hey. Hello, Mello.
Ah!
Hey.
Hello.
dare you interrupt my marriage? Are you mad? You are the one who is crazy. You are the one who is crazy! Ah! If I slap you, you're going to melt. You're going to melt like a salt in the water. How dare you? How dare you snatch my woman? How dare you want to snatch my woman? What woman are you talking about? What woman are you talking about? Speak! Ah!
All I'm here is my woman. The one I love. And she can confirm it.
Olama, say something. Say something. Ah! What is going on here? My in-laws, what is going on here?
Welcome. Who are you? Eh? How could you just barge in here to disrupt our daughter's marriage like that? Eh? Who are you?
Mazi.
Uh-huh.
Akagemetukonamoso.
You mean again?
Let me be.
Let you be. For what?
Just let me be.
Come on. Eh? Okay, you feel you're very strong. Bah, easily. You think you're strong, eh? No, you think you're a strong man. Listen, we have warriors in this land. Warriors who will hold you, squeeze your neck, break your leg and throw you away. Ah? Are you mad? Are you mad?
I am not mad, Nai. I am madly in love with Olama.
No. We are saying something strong here. Asking you very important questions and you are talking about love. What nonsense is that?
Love can make
What is love? So, wait. You believe you can just walk into a place, carry a woman away without fulfilling the marital rights just because you're in love?
I was doing that. I was actually doing it. And each Mordecai is aware.
You are where?
Let us go.
No.
I am done with this marriage.
No, don't worry.
Let us go, I am done.
Let us go and talk. Come.
Let us go.
Come this way.
Why? Just something I think.
Welcome. How dare you mention my name like that? Eh? You vagabond. You came here long ago to introduce yourself to me. And then you went away. Nobody saw you again. Only for you to barge in here now to disgrace my family. Look at the disaster you have caused here. All the visitors are gone. My in-laws are angry. Looks like they infested you with madness wherever you're coming from.
Ichie Monica, I did not go away from your family. I went to a war in a far place, Bitolu.
What is our concern with that? What is our... Did we send you to any war? Mbo Udenta, did we send him to any war?
No.
Ichie Maduka, I am in love with your daughter. I am in love with your daughter.
It is late. As you can see, you are too late. You are not the only one that is in love with my daughter. You are not the only one.
Nah, Ichie Maduka, there's no lateness in love.
Yeah.
Do you realize what you're saying? Eh? We are telling you something very strong here, very important, and you are talking about love. Eh? What is love? No, what do you know about love? Oh, okay. Look at you. Oh, so you think you can intimidate me, eh? No, you think you can intimidate me with your small size? Look, don't take your apple, my friend. Look at you. I'm not afraid of you. Say that, boy.
Ichie, let us go. Let us go. We have been insulted and humiliated.
You heard my son. I am happy you are here and hearing him directly. Let us go. We cannot stand the humiliation anymore. This thing is a huge slap on our faces. It's a big insult. Why didn't they tell us that the maiden was already betrothed? Why?
Please calm down. Calm down. She was not betrothed. Yes. From what I understand here, the young man in question only came for a mere introduction and he never came back. Yes. Every man can come to ask for a maiden's hand in marriage. But the one whom the maiden accepts and he paid her bride price is the husband, and that is our custom.
You are correct. But the girl disgraced my son. Why didn't she reject the man when he came, at least in the presence of everybody? She had to stand there and watch that idiot harass my son, the hooligan.
Ichie, my mother is very, very correct. We cannot take this from them. Why must she wait on a day like this? And why did she not choose? If you ask me, I am still insisting. I am following my mother.
Simple.
We have to leave.
Not so fast, my dear. Let me discuss with my in-laws before we leave.
You can go ahead to discuss with them.
Thank you.
But as far as my son and I are concerned, this marriage is as good as over. We cannot stand this humiliation anymore. We cannot.
All right. Let me see them.
Nana, if you ask me, I would say leave this maiden alone. Let us go and look for another maiden to marry.
I think we should wait for Ichi Ndubeze to talk to them. Then we would know what to do.
Oh, now, what does he know you will say that?
So this is the way you would have married my daughter? Eh? Like this? With this level of violence? Hey! Udenta. Isaac Rembo. Isaac Rembo.
No, it's not. The teeth lion uses in tearing other animals is the same teeth she uses in carrying its babies. Olama is like a baby to me. I cannot use my strength on her. I cannot hurt her.
Welcome in Akajambele. You are talking Ajambele. Stop all this rubbish.
Do you know that what you did here today is an abomination?
Oh,
you don't know. If it was in some families, they will beat you up thoroughly, tie you up, and throw you into the evil forest. It's an abomination.
Nai, I am sorry about that. It has happened. So what do I do now?
just take your miserable self and get out of this place.
And when you go, try and get a good medicine man to first cure you of war madness before you talk about getting married to any maiden. Not my daughter.
Simple.
Never.
I am sorry. Once again, I am very sorry.
We have had you. Please go now. Go. Go.
You're a nuisance.
It's okay. I will go. But I will come back.
Back in the bed. No, back where? Get out of here.
Ta! When can go?
Go, get out of here.
You be back where?
Mama,
Olam, stop this. Why are you even crying?
Name. They will blame me for this. They will say all of this is my fault. But I didn't know Dike would be coming back. I didn't know Amaram.
It's not your fault. It's not your fault. You didn't know that Dike will be gone for so long. A woman's life is like that of a flower. Best plug when it's full. By evening, it would have been late.
What do I do? Kini can get me. What do I do?
You already identified your husband. They have fulfilled all the traditional rites required. The ceremony is complete. Stop crying. It's okay.
My in-law, please, I am very sorry for this confusion. But as you can see, it is not my fault.
I understand, Chimaduka. But as you can see, my nephew and his mother are very upset. I have to leave now.
No. You people cannot leave. Let us conclude the program. The intruder has gone away.
No, not after this humiliation. Your daughter could not even defend her husband.
What do you expect my daughter to do, a young maiden, to fight a warrior? Didn't you see how big the man was?
Whatever, we are leaving.
Wait, Ndubeze. Wait. You are the man of the house. Go and talk to your brother's wife. She is a woman. And you are the man. Take charge. Talk to your nephew also. Listen, you and I are more experienced in this matter. Marriage is full of tribulations, and it takes patience and understanding to overcome the challenges. This is one of the challenges. But if you people insist on leaving, I have no problem. Yes, but I will not be held responsible for whatever happens thereafter. My daughter is a pretty maiden, as you can see. Anything can happen. Other men's eyes are on her.
But it hasn't come to that yet.
It has.
Let me go and quickly talk to them.
You better do. Go and talk to her. Can I come here? Nana, I know that your blood is hot like a young man, but please calm down. You know, my daughter is still a young maiden. She will need soft hand to mold her into a woman. That is the way marriage is. Your mother and your uncle, they have both agreed that it is best you take your wife home instead of still lamenting over a past incident. Go.
Both of them are young. The daughter and Nana, my son, they are quite young. So we cannot blame Nana for acting his age. You are in the midst of drinking your wine your wife presented to you. Some about snatch.
Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. Everything is settled now. All we have to do is to help them to grow in their marriage. I know by next season, my in-law, they will come for Omogo.
No, my in-laws. Olama is not feeling so well. She cannot travel all the way to Aniocha today.
Yeah. What happened again?
No, she's having serious headache and she needs to rest now.
The headache is in her leg. Headache? What is it going on? My in-law, if you do not want your daughter to marry my son, you should set it instead of turning and twisting us like this. Are we children here?
Hold on, why? Take it easy now. How are you? Has it come to all this? No, but let me even ask. Dear Mama, are you the one to marry our daughter or your son?
Oh, stop it! What kind of stupid question is that? Iche Maduka, warn your brother. He is poking his fingers into my eyes. Adema.
It's
okay. It's okay. My in-law, please calm down. Let us behave like the adults that we are. Inugo, my daughter, this young lady, she has gone through a whole lot today.
Was she the only one that went through something? My son went through worse. He spent everything to carry his wife home, enjoy everything. Somebody scattered it and you say, what did she go through?
I suggest you people go for now. Let her spend 1 or 2 nights with us. Once she gets well, I'll send message across so that you come and take your wife home. You have married her. There's nothing else. Nothing can change that. I hope I have spoken well.
You have spoken well. Absolutely. In fact, beautifully well, my brother.
As if you are the person he's explaining to.
Excuse me.
Was he explaining to you?
Didn't he speak well? If I that thing, that picture you are wearing, are you going?
Dike. Okay. I am not all right. Do I look all right? I feel like strangling. I feel like what happened? I lost my woman. I've lost my woman to another man. Olama. Yes. She got married yesterday. We were coming back from the battle. Hey, that's serious. It was very, very serious. Very, very serious. I've not been myself since then. And something is telling me that I should go to that village, that Anyocha village, and rescue my woman from that unworthy man.
Dike, that would not be wise.
She should have waited for you. She never knew I was going to be so long. And her father pushed and pressured her to marry his best friend's son.
She told you this?
I was there. So
what was her reaction?
Let's just forget about this, please. Don't want to be thinking about it.
Dike. I don't want this to worry you. There are so many pretty maidens in this village. With our new status, all of them are at our mercy. Dike, we are popular as warriors. We are wedding from spoils of wars. Okay, as the only child, you inherited so much from your parents. Nanya, any maiden you call answers. Stop worrying yourself. Okay,
you won't understand. You might not understand.
I understand.
You got that wrong. I love this girl. I love Olama.
Dike, I love too many maidens.
Let's go
to Nkwa and take some palm wine. Come.
Nkwa brought my problem right now. No.
Let's go.
Actually,
come.
Nama chorengo. Bia. Oda goma choromengo.
Ine ko ngo binso. Ka je wo maya ni onwo.
Kanu sina mili nchaba se manya.
Mili ezo be. Kai mili adro.
Nama. Akwakena na ro. Ogiri bia.
Kai je ngo maya na nkwo.
Kedo ngeji ngo manya. Apora mma. Ya kai da. Kedo ngeji ngo manya.
Ine ba kwa. Nama chorengo. Ine ba kwa.
If I were you, I would go with the one I love. I would go with Dike since he's the one your heart desires.
Nkechi, who told you she doesn't like Nana? That Dike was the first to come doesn't mean he's the best.
Then why didn't she go with them yesterday? Can't you see she's confused?
Nkechi, it's just her imagination. Yes, it's your imagination that is deceiving you like this. Olama, that I know.
My husband, Nana, will come to take me home soon.
So you have decided, and you allowed Nkechi and I to be arguing over this.
I did not tell you if I was confused. or undecided.
Whoever that sees you now, we know that you're confused. Look at yourself. Are you not confused?
That's not true. The stress from yesterday gave me headache and fever, so I'm only trying to recover.
Oh, Fifa, I'm still saying the same thing. You are only confused. You see, you're confused. I say.
Bia. Isoma and Nkechi. Isoma and Nkechi, come here. Come here. Two of you, come here. Come over here. What is all this? Why are you people confusing my daughter? I heard all the nonsense you were saying.
No.
Yes. Listen. My daughter is married, and that is it.
Nani, we're not trying to confuse her. We're only trying to make her forget the events of yesterday.
Forget what event? Forget what event? What happened?
The marriage that didn't happen again.
Which marriage did not happen again? Look at her mouth. You people just want to gossip. You just want to gossip.
No, Nani.
Listen, my daughter is a beautiful maiden, being sought after by so many men. What is wrong in that? Is that something to be sad about?
No, Nani.
No.
So what are you gossiping about? You should be thinking about getting your own husbands. I said marriage that did not happen. Which marriage did not happen? In this my household? Go and look for your own husbands. You are ripe enough to get your own. Some of your mates are married with children. Yes. So stop disturbing Olamma. She's in good hands. She is married, and that is it. She's going to her husband's place on a Market day and live with her husband happily after. Do you hear me? If you like, cry. If you don't like, don't cry. Go and look for your own husband and stop disturbing her. Go. Get you look at you. Look at you open as. You get just already. Chop up and down. Nonsense. Yeah, Olamma.
Nam.
Come here. Olamma, if you like, come out here. If you don't like, don't come out. You heard me say it. You are going to your husband's house on a Market day. That's the message I gave to them. You heard me? Olamma. Okay, if you like, hear me. If you don't like, don't hear me. I'll take my own.
Olamma.
Ne.
You are welcome to the family.
Thank you, Ne.
Relax. You are now with your husband and your mother-in-law.
All right, Ne.
Maybe I did not tell you this part. My late husband was a very wealthy man. My son here inherited everything his father owned. So he too is a wealthy man. I can assure you, you will lack nothing.
I'm happy to hear that, Ne. Dalo.
But I want you to know that you are a married woman now and no longer a maiden.
All right, Ne.
My son does not want trouble. He works so hard to sustain the family wealth. Therefore, you must support him, cook for him, keep your home, and attend to his every need as a man. I hope your mother told you all that.
Yes, Ne. My mother told me everything, and I will do as she said.
Good. Every good mother must raise her daughter well and teach her how to be in her husband's house. She told you all that?
Yes, Ne.
Good. Do not listen to gossip from idle people. Before you do anything, before you interact with anybody in this our kindred,
You must get my permission or my son's permission. People are jealous of our family. They may go through you to harm us.
Hey.
Is that what you want?
No, Mbamba, no. The gods forbid. That will never happen. Before I interact with anybody, I must get your permission first.
Good. Omaka. Ogosinazo Gazo. Your mother raised you well and taught you how to be in your husband's house. Now, go over to the cooking place and go prepare your husband his afternoon meal. Everything you will need to make him a healthy food is in the cooking place.
Okay.
Cooking items are scattered everywhere. Let me see how she's going to see them, gather them together without seeking for my assistance.
Hey, that's a very good test. But we don't even know if she can cook very well.
But you said she can.
I hope so. Because I am not willing to take or tolerate any nonsense from her. When I remember the embarrassment I faced at her place, my heart boils with anger. I am so angry.
Do not worry about it. Leave her for me. No maiden can come into this hut, our home, to misbehave. But when I am still alive, strong and agile, relax. Let us watch her fully come out with her bad behavior before we strike. No woman can enjoy this family wealth without sweating for it.
I agree with you.
I don't know what you're sitting there doing. This is very nice. Indeed, your mother thought you well.
Thank you, Ne.
My dear wife, I am very impressed.
Thank you, my husband. I am glad I did not fail.
So how were you able to get the ogiri, the oil, the pepper?
Ne, I sniffed around.
Really? I have a good news.
Thank you. Dike, good day. So you live here all alone?
Yes, all alone. No father, no mother, no siblings, no wife. The woman I desired left me for another.
So sorry about that. But you know it's not all Ama's fault.
I know, but it still hurts.
See, you need to move on with your life. Olama has made her decision and she's happy with it. You need to be happy again. I can help you with that, even if that's the last thing I do for her as a friend. Please.
Thank you.
Have you eaten? I need to make you some food. Do you have ingredients at home?
Thank you, I've eaten. I'm fine. Thank you.
What about if I help you sweep? This place looks untidy. Let me help you out with it. Where do I get your broom?
I do not have broom.
How would you say you don't have broom? Okay, you know what? Let me go find myself.
Hey, I said there's no broom in my room.
I'm coming.
I said there's no broom in my room. Hey!
Dike. Dike. I have to go now before my mother starts looking for me.
Thank you very much for your help.
You deserve all the help you're getting.
You can have this.
No, I do not need any reward for the help I rendered.
See, I have enough. The last time we went for a war in a far place, they gave us dry meat that would last us for a whole year.
Wow, that's nice. Thank you.
You can have it.
Thank you. Don't worry. Whatever you need, just let me know. I'll be here to assist.
It's okay. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Cody.
What is it? What is it? Why are you resisting me?
My husband, no. I am not. It's just that my period have started.
Ever since I married you, you have always been on your period. Look. Stop all these excuses. Allow me have access to you. Do you understand? Olama. Nyem otu. Oh? Look. If you do not want this marriage to hold, tell me so I can inform your father so that he can then return back the dowry I paid.
No, my husband, it hasn't gotten to that. You know how hard it was for me when I came.
What do you even mean by that?
I was trying to adjust, and then, my period just started. My husband, I'm sorry. I've never done it before. So I want us to do it in my best mood. As soon as this period is over, I'll give it to you. I'll give it to you, please. Please, permit me to go and see my mother.
Can't you see? It is drizzling and about to rain.
Don't worry, my husband. I will cover myself.
Is anything the problem?
Not at all. Anytime I'm in my period, my mother normally helps. Because it's usually very painful.
But my mother is around. She can also help.
I know, but there's this particular herbs she prepares for me. My husband, Biko, let me go this last time. Oh, I won't be long.
In that case, let us go together. Let me go with you so that nothing would happen to you. Oh?
My husband, I really will appreciate it, but nothing will happen to me. Moreover, it's women's talk. We won't even let you in. Oh, you moan. Let me just go, Biko.
Okay. If you say so. But can I at least walk you to Okwa Junction?
Yeah. You're really a nice man.
Yes, let me.
Thank you. Wow, thank you.
Let us go, huh? Sure. Wait.
Hola. Where are you going to? And where are you coming from?
My friend, I am glad you are here. I was coming to see you.
Me? Hope there's no problem.
Oh, none that I know of. Actually, I came to see my mother, so I decided to see you briefly.
That's nice. Hope everything is fine.
Oh, absolutely fine.
And I hope Nana is taking good care of you.
Of course. Nana is a kind man. He's loving and caring also.
I told you.
Yes. His family welcomed me with open arms. And they treated me like an egg also.
You're going to make me jealous.
Oh, you don't have to be. You don't have to be. Since I've seen you here, I will just go back. There's no point coming to your house anymore.
I'm going to call the
Jessica.
My love is you that I need in obi moon. All of my one your man, nanigi wobi ma. Many rejected me, called me orphan. Many rejected me, they think I'm poor. Man, all of my Igbo biggie love more. All of my Igbo biggie love more. All of my yakute muso. On your money, but love more. Together, baby, more. Me and you go surprise the world. Put them on sun. Can go see go to love us, yes, put them on sun. On your money, but love more. Together, baby, more. Me and you go surprise the world. Put them on sun. Can go see go to love us, yes, on your money, more. Can go see go to love us.
Olama, what are you doing here? Shh.
Nobody knows I am here. I had to lie to my husband to come see you.
I never knew I would ever see you again. This seems like a dream to me.
I was worried about you. We didn't have enough time to meet and talk again. But I'm here to appeal to you to move on. Move on with your life, Dike. I remember the love that was shared, but that time has passed. Now I am married. Biko.
But I still love you. I still love you.
Unfortunately, you were late. Life will not always give us what we want, nor deserve. I want you to please take me out of your heart. You are rich, and with your strength, you can get any maiden to marry.
Ola, I do not want just any maiden. It's you. It's you that I want. I still love you. Please let me just hold you for once.
No, please. No, Dike, stop. I am married. I can't. But Dike, I promise you, I will cherish every moment I spent with you for the rest of my life. Please, move on. It's someone else. Sorry.
Dike! Dike n'agha! Ọchịagha nwoke! Ga-aga n'ogwu. Nwoke nwere ibubo. I'm so excited. I want to tell you something. The king of Uvuru sent an emissary. They want us to help them fight their troublesome neighbors. They offered us plots of lands, as many maidens as we want. I'm so excited. Watoka! Again?
I am not excited.
Why?
Because the last time I went fighting, I lost something that is so precious to me.
So I am not going to fight again.
Why you can't be this soft? Dike na Gagewa. The only man that eats the bullet with his teeth. No! Dike, you're not even a warrior. At your sight, your leopard trembles. How can you be this soft? Because of a woman? Dike, you have access to many maidens in this village. Ogene.
Or former Julia Wayo. Or former Mwelu Wayo. I thank you so much for all the accolades. I am still the Dike that you know. I still know who I am. But there is something missing inside of this Dike that you know. And until that void is filled, I will continue to lie low.
Dike, let me ask you. Are you telling me you don't want to go to this war because of a woman? A woman that is married and gone away with her husband, probably expecting her first child. Let me ask you, did she use something on you?
For enough. Enough of this. See, please, you can just go.
This is not time to go. T, I want to make...
From leave me alone! Since you do not want to understand me, let me be!
Dike. Oduma. Amadi, I went to Great Libya, Odumodu, place. And he said they made him do something to him that made him to lose passion to fight. Hi! You know, I said it. I said it because I know Dike's behavior cannot be ordinary. It is not ordinary. Odumodu said we should bring him to his place so that he can revive him, give him strength and passion to fight again.
I know Odumodu has a solution to everything. And I trust him. I believe him.
You know, he always sits in front of his hut. So, we will push him to the back. He gave me... See, once we bring him down, we'll apply this powder on his face. He hails it. He becomes weak. Then we'll use this rope. Hey, do you understand? You know he's very strong. So we move him to Udumutu's hut before he regains his strength to be too late.
Yeah, Ofoma. I like this plan. But are you sure it will work? Are you sure this plan will work on Dike?
Amadi. You say it. Let's go. Let's go.
I'm a money of but you are sure it will work? Come.
Let's go.
Dike, Anabala gumba, ifagu jemile, ifagu jemile, Dike, woke man, Anabala gumba, ifagu jemile, Onny ya Dike, woke man, Anabala gumba, ifagu jemile, Oye kuchuze, Dike, Oye punu, Anabala gumba, ifagu jemile, Okwasi na mụọ nwoke n'ụwa ya bụrụ nwoke maka afọ dike n'ụwa ogonogo imi ya maka okolo na ibe ya ra okwu ọnụ nekwanụ dike ịkakweche ọkụkọ mmanya na-egbu nekwanna bụrụ ede achụ na achụ dike nwoke anabalago mba Ifeagụ Jemile di ya na mba Ifeagụ Jemile dike nwoke mmadụ anabalago mba Ifeagụ Jemile di ya na mba Onny ya dike nwoke mmadụ anabalago mba Ifeagụ Jemile di ya na mba onye kwuchi ụzọ dike nwoke onye kwụ n'ụzọ anabalago mba onye kwụ n'ụzọ Ifeagụ Jemile di ya na mba
I need to be left alone. Is it difficult to understand?
Former.
I said, is it difficult to understand?
Why, Yoma?
Nai.
Where are you going to?
I'm going to my farm to pluck some vegetable.
Okay. Is Iche Maduka home?
No. He went to Iche Ahunwa's house concerning that Ogugu forest matter.
Oh, he told me about that.
I hope all is well.
Everything is well. It's just that I have a little thing I want to discuss with him some days ago.
Nai, is there something I could hear?
Yes. It concerns you. In fact, it concerns everybody in the family.
Nai, what could be the matter?
Are you people aware that Olama came to Ini Edo village last Nkwo day?
Olama came to Ini Edo? To see who?
Are you the one asking? To Dike, of course.
Olama came to Ini Edo to see Dike. Hi! Wait, who told you?
Never mind who told me. What we should be concerned about is why she came to his hut. And the person that told me said that she sneaked in and sneaked out.
Oh. Nai, please, I don't want my husband to hear about this matter. It will spoil things further for us. Buko, let me look into this matter. Buko.
You better do, because we will not partake in any kind of abomination.
Hey.
You better go and ask your daughter questions.
Yes, Nai, I will. But please, I don't want my husband to hear about this matter. Buko, Nai.
It's okay.
Thank you, Nai. Oh, thank you, Nai.
Dike. You look moody. What is wrong?
I'm fine. Just thinking about this life.
I hope it's not about my friend Olama. She's happily married. And if you ask me, she might be pregnant for Nana by now.
What?
What do you mean by what? Are they not married? What do you expect? I'm sorry if I'm being too forward. Dike, don't you like my presence? Coming here to do chores for you, encouraging you. What more do you want?
I do.
Then you have to stop being moody whenever I'm around. Do you know the risk I take coming here all the time? If my father gets to hear this, it's going to be disastrous.
Please. No. You don't have to be taking that risk coming to see me. okay? I can take care of myself. Please.
Then I have to go then.
No. You just feel free and do whatever you've come to do. Feel free with it, please.
So, are you saying you're enjoying my presence?
If I don't, I won't welcome you.
Then you have to make up your mind. My great warrior. War front is not home front. Don't miss your luck a second time. Yes.
I do not understand.
What do you mean? Are you not a man? Come, let's go inside your hut. I'll show you what I mean. Stand! Dike, stand. Follow me.
Assam! Listen, how are you? I'm just coming from your house and your mother said you went to fetch firewood. Ngwa, where's the firewood? What are you hiding?
Leave me alone. I'm not hiding anything.
Isioma, what is wrong? Eh? You've been acting strangely towards me these days. What have I done? Again?
Leave me. Are you monitoring me? I'm asking you. Are you my father or my husband?
I'm your husband to be. We are planning to get my... Again, I thought.
You're planning. You're very serious, so you're planning. Oh, wait. You think I'm a log of wood that you pick and drop anytime you want? Eh?
What do you mean?
Oh, you think I've not heard? Wait, you think I've not heard about you and Oluchi? So because she has rejected you, you now remembered me. Eh, kwa?
Oluchi. Oh, Chokwe. Isioma. So because I told you how I helped Oluchi when her firewood fell off from my head, and now you are now assuming I have something to do with her.
I am not assuming. Oborezoku, is that not the truth? It is not even my business. Whether you, if you like, you follow Oluchi, follow Nkechi, follow anybody you want to follow. I don't care. It's none of my business. Let me warn you. Let me warn you. I don't want to ever see you in my father's hut. Did you hear me? I don't want them taking away what. Allow me to talk. What's your problem? I don't want to ever see you in my father's hut again. Are you hearing me? I will not repeat myself. I hate to repeat myself. I will not repeat myself. I will not repeat myself. Ejofo.
Assam.
Awachakwamge. Rubbish.
You see? Assam. Something is wrong with this young man. Something is definitely wrong.
I had a meeting with our ancestors. They gave me food from the land of the spirit, and I ate it through my eyes. My eyes opened. Yes. So now, I want to shoot. Yes. If my arrow catches you, keep it for me. When I come back, you will give me utalakpolakpo. When I was in the world, I used to cook soup with a head of cow. I will serve the food to ndị ichie na ndị egedege. Some people became jealous. Because
Dike made me their king. But some people became jealous. I wanted to kill me. But can they kill me? No! They cannot. No! They can't kill me! No! They can't kill me! No! Bravo! My friend! Have you married another one? Every season, you keep on marrying new wife and end up chasing her away. That wicked one. Do not allow him to marry. Small girl. Did she tell you what she did to her husband? If you do, you find yourself in a Georgia. You will find yourself in a Jofia. Yes! I have the permission from our ancestors to expose all evildoers in Anyocha and the whole Umetite. Marva is one of them. Small girl, where is your husband? That wicked woman. Your husband is inside her womb. Yes! Where is your husband? Where is he? Yet. He has sucked his blood.
See who you're listening to. See the person you just relax to listen to. A mad woman. Ravaging mad. Tied leaf, fresh leaf. This you're eating leaf, but she's tying leaf. And you think she's sane. Oh Nyala. She's a mad woman. Olama, my child. Do not mind that nonsense. That woman, that mad woman was vomiting. She is ravaging mad. She's evil. Her evil made her mad. She reaped what she sowed. In her days, when she was sane, she was sleeping with other men, still married with her husband. Huh? After several warnings, her husband caught her red-handed with another man. Instead of her to apologize and make amends, she insisted she was innocent and went to swear before the shrine of Ogubudo. Ogubu pronounced judgment on her and she became mad instantly from that shrine. That is why she's like that.
But why would she agree to swear knowing she's not innocent?
As if you do not know how bad people behave. They always think there will be a way for them to escape somehow. But Nemesis will always fail them.
She's really a bad woman.
Very bad. Do you know that Dike, that one that wanted to deceive you into marriage, he is the son of a mad woman.
He is?
Yes, he is. He did not tell you?
No. We didn't discuss anything like that. He only told me that his parents died when he was very, very young.
He's a liar. Yes, his father died early, but his mother much later. She died a mad woman. Yes, madness run in their lineage. Imagine a wretched family that have madness blood in them. If you have children, they will become morons or imbeciles. No, would you want to have children that will be roaming the market naked and mad?
May the gods forbid. To fear what?
The gods have forbade it already. Because the gods have saved you from that calamity. You are lucky she did not bite you. By now, we would have been roaming this entire kingdom mad. Because once a madman bites you, you're automatically mad. I thought you would have finished this by now. You're busy listening to a mad woman. Left what you should have done.
I got your message from Umenwa. That's why I'm here.
Oh yes, I was lucky to see her in our kindred. She came to visit her maternal grandmother, so I told her for us to meet here as soon as the sun is overhead.
Okay. I've been hanging around since then. What is it? What is it?
I don't know how to say this. But my heart is heavy. And I know you can help me lift it up.
Okay. Speak.
Dike. It's about Dike.
What about him?
My mother-in-law told me that his mother was a mad woman.
What? Which Dike?
My own. I mean the Dike that you know. I am my friend.
Yes.
Have you heard anything like this about Dike's mother before?
No. I don't know much about Dike and his family. Except for the ones you told me yourself.
Hi, hey. Hey.
Yes.
Okay. Fine. I need you to confirm this information for me. Oh, you know I can't ask my parents for obvious reasons.
I understand. But what do you need this information for? You're happily married and settled.
I know. I just want to know the truth. That's all. Pico, help me. Oh?
Okay. I will.
Thank you.
I'll help you.
How about Ejiofor? How is it going with you two?
We are on it very soon. Very soon we're getting there.
I see. My friend.
Yes.
Please, nobody should know that I came here to see you.
Okay.
And nobody should know about our conversation here about Dike. Oh?
Nobody is going to hear about it, okay? Your secret is safe with me.
Dano, thank you.
I got it, no? Take care of yourself.
I know you weren't expecting to see me.
No, I'm not. What happened? And what about your husband?
As if you care.
Of course I care.
No, you don't care. You claim you care and yet you lied to me twice. First, you told me you were going to the battlefield for 2 native weeks. Instead, you stayed there forever. Secondly, you lied to me about your mother's health. Why didn't you tell me she had mental health challenge? And she was roaming the market before she died.
Who told you?
Hold on. I am not done. I do not have so much time to spend here. Dike, I ask, why did you lie to me? I thought you loved me. All of this wouldn't have mattered. Regardless of what happened to your mother, I would have stayed even if she was crippled, imbecile, or whatever. I feel humiliated by the same man who claimed to love me. The same man who made me appear stupid before my husband's people and my people. The same man who made people gossip about me all over the places that I could not decide on a man. Dike, why? Why did you hide so much from me? Even at the risk of my marriage, I had to sneak out to ask you this same question. Why did you lie to me? Why are you not saying anything?
Olama. All I feel highly embarrassed for you to say that my mother was mad. But for your sake, I am not going to be angry. I'll control it. My mother was never mad. And we do not have madness in our blood stream. My mother had a friend by name Udenwa, who was sick in the head. My parents brought her in and she started living with us. When I was little, my parents were helping to take her to a healer. And she was almost getting better before my parents had a fallen tree accident and died. Because of my parents' death, Udenwa took off to the market.
Really?
Who told you this hurting story? You would have confirmed from your father, who knows my family very well before coming here to downgrade me. Who told you?
Never mind.
No! I do mind! Talk to me. Say it. Else, you will not like my reaction. Say it!
My mother-in-law told me, and my friend Isioma confirmed it from you.
Isioma?
Isioma confirmed it from me? When?
I sent her to investigate. And she returned, saying that you told her that your great-grandmother died of mental health challenge. And you're also scared of your own sanity. Do you think you can scare me? Why are you even denying it?
Isioma? Isioma?
Yes? Isioma, what are you doing here?
I should be asking you that. What are you doing here? Yes, allow other men this to find husband. What is it? Why are you so greedy? Oh, wait. You didn't know I saw you the day you were coming to Dike's house. Abomination. A married woman. Feeling a bogey.
Are you saying all of this to me?
No, I'm talking to my shadow. It's my shadow I'm talking to. You're very selfish and inconsiderate. You keep running from one place to another. Allow other maidens to find husband. Are you the only one in this community? Wicked girl.
I thought you were my friend. I never knew you were a snake. What have I done wrong to you? Tell me!
Dike, please. Let's go inside and finish up from where we started. And leave this confused loser. Let's go.
Dike. That's what she called you.
Go to your husband. Don't you have home? Go to your husband. What is it? Kedifo. Onanadia Chodi. Go home.
My love is you that I need in Obimu. All of my one, your man, Nanigi Wobima. Many rejected me, called me orphan. Many rejected me, they think I'm poor. Man, all of my, Ijibo begin love for more. All of my, Ijibo begin love for more. All of my, yeah, put them so. On your money, but love more. Together, baby, more. Me and you go surprise the world. Be put them on sun. Can't go see God to love us, yes, sir. Be put them on sun. On your money, but love more. Together, baby, more. Me and you go surprise the world. Be put them on sun. Can't go see God to love us.
Where are you coming from? Where? Where?
My husband, I went to see my grandmother in Urago kindred. She has been logging.
Liar! You liar! Urago kindred is just across the stream. You took almost the entire day. Tell me, where are you coming from before I hit those evil spirits that has possessed you? Speak!
I'm not lying to you. I cannot lie to you, my husband. I can't. I told Nne where I was.
Since morning, Nne waited for you and waited. She decided to go to the market all alone because you never came back on time. I got back from the farm with enough food items so I could get food to eat. Still, I starve. Where are you coming from?
My husband, I am sorry. I didn't know it was going to take this long. I am sorry. Let me quickly get to you.
Olama, what else am I supposed to do to you to show you how much I love you, how much I care for you, how much I am willing to protect you, to stand by your side? Huh? What else? You keep breaking my heart. Do you know what? Go into the hut. Pick every single item that belongs to you and leave my home. never to come back. Now,
Please. My husband, forgive me. I am sorry. Please forgive me. It will never happen again.
Olama, all I do is love you. I am married, yet I live like a single man. I starve. If this is what marriage is about, then I do not want to be part of it. I still insist. Go in there, pack your items, and leave my home.
I cannot.
I would come to your father's compound to take back my dowry.
I'm sorry, my husband, but I can't go back to my father's hut. Nne is not here. She will think of me as one that disrespected her. My husband, please. I'll make it up to you. I promise to make you happy today. I will make your meal quickly. Please reconsider your decision. I'm sorry.
On your money, love more. Together, baby, more. Me and you go surprise the world. Can go see go to love us, yes. Or the baby more. Can go see go to love us, yes. All of my more. Can go see go to love us, yes. On my little one follow na. Can go see go to love us, yes. My love is you that I need in moon. All of my one your man, nanigi will be man. Many rejected me, called me orphan. Many rejected me, they think I'm poor. Man, all of my, it will begin love for more.
Olama, you not tell me about your grandmother.
I am sorry. I was busy when you came back. But my grandmother is very fine. She told me so many good stories. She couldn't even let me go.
That is elderly grandmothers for you. They tell stories all the time.
She sent her regard. She's impressed by the way you take care of me.
I'm happy to hear that. Maybe one of these days we are all going to pay her a visit.
Hey, she'll be very happy, oh.
Olama, this food, so far, is your best.
Thank you, Nne. I will do better next time.
Nne. Indeed, I am enjoying my marriage.
You should. With Olama being a good cook, and she takes care of you.
Everywhere.
What else do you want?
On your money, love more. Together, baby, more. Me and you go surprise the world. Can go see go to love us, yes. On your money, love more. Together, baby, more. Me and you go surprise the world.
Please, wait, let me pass.
What is it? You are not showing me your true color. Yes. After all the love and promises we share together, I even come to your house to help you with your house chores. I help you do some firewood, fresh water. And now look at how you are repaying me with...
Okay, Biko, you're ranting. What is all this? One, you're poor. You're lazy. You're not even strong. Just look at yourself. You're not even strong. Go, okay? Wait, let me ask you. Can you go to a battle like my man Dike? Can you? Enough of this married talk. I don't want to hear it again. What is all this rubbish? You're stopping me.
Isuma, I've been there for you since, so...
What did me? And so you think you now own me? Simply because you're the first person to show your love interest towards me. What is all this madness? Are you okay? You see, me, Isioma, daughter of Okonkwo Umadi, we never settle for less. I want to marry an Odogu. Okay, Karaka. Okay, Drew. If you okay, Fogro give me or bro, a couple like just they're gonna work Ghana. You read you okay, me. Stop all this rubbish. Don't stop you on the way again. What was all this madness? Isioma, stop.
Wait. I've been there for you since, eh?
Let go of me.
Hey! What is going on here?
Obia.
Why are you molesting the maiden? Why?
Obia. Dike, you are the cause of all this problem here. Yes! All the one you lie on the scene.
Meaning what?
Stop pointing him.
No, Rapia Konako. So, meaning what?
Meaning that you want to forcefully take away my wife from me. Because you were a warrior. Eh? Warrior. No.
Did you just say wife? When did you get married to her? Since when?
Answer him.
Dike, are you pretending not to know that I and Isioma are getting married? Before you came from nowhere and scattered the whole plans.
Hey. Listen to me. Listen, I do not know you. And I do not intend to know you. If you've not paid any dowry on any woman's head, never you call that person your wife. Until you pay dowry on somebody's head, then that person becomes your wife. Do you understand? Else, that person is free to marry any man she wants to marry. That's our tradition.
Look at Dike. Dike, you that went to disrupt another man's marriage ceremony because you claim the maiden is your wife to be. Eh? Here you are now preaching about tradition. Lele.
Am I the one you're talking to like that?
You are the one, and what will you do? Am I the one?
No, come and stay, madman. Come and stay.
Am I the one you're talking to like that?
No, it was a slip of tongue, Biko.
Am I the one?
Sorry, other people.
Am I the one?
No.
Am I the one you're talking to like that?
Biko.
Next time.
Dike,
mind your words.
Okay, Dike.
Mind your words.
Dike.
Mind your words.
Biko.
Mind your words.
Please. Dike.
Olama.
Nne.
Have you finished?
Yes, Nne.
Ngwa. Carry the big yam. Go and give it to Amoge. She knows what to do with it.
Okay.
And the small one, we'll plant it at the back of the hut.
Okay, Nne, let me wash my hands.
I know she has been waiting. Hurry up.
Okay, Nne.
The hand is not even too dirty. Are you not farming already?
Okay, Nne.
Oh, now. What?
Where is Olama?
Oh, I sent her to go and deliver yam for me at my friend's place, Amoge.
I thought she has gone to visit her lover, as usual.
Nana, why are you doing this? Why are you bothering yourself? I have told you I am top of this matter. Olama is a small pampered girl who thinks she's smart. She does not know the people she's dealing with. Do you know that anytime she goes to see her family, she does not visit the family before going off to sleep with her monster lover? Do you know that?
I thought we married a wife. But she's more than a snake.
Meaning you married a snake?
We married a snake.
We? Oh.
Do you know that looking at her on the outside, she seems very innocent. Nobody would know that behind her she's full of abominations.
Her cup is finally full. She's here. Ife memea adako yako.
Oh no. This is not the basket.
Nana, when the time comes, Olama's fate is worse than that Uragu maiden. That one that came here to challenge me. My eyes are everywhere. I see her. As you know, Okunaga Wam. 2 times she has gone to sleep with that her hooligan lover while she's serving you, her own husband.
A very shameless and useless harlot.
Oh, yeah.
She's now acting all good. Trying to be nice.
To who?
As though she's a good person. Simply because that her useless and good-for-nothing lover has used and dumped her. She has now returned back to me, trying to show me love.
So that you carry the used one?
This is a maiden I married with my own money.
Hard-earned money?
Ah!
We'll pay her back. We will pay her very well. For all the insults and humiliation before the marriage ceremony, during the marriage ceremony, until this day. Nobody insults and humiliates the son of Mbafe Belebe and goes scot-free. She will pay with her life.
I hate her. I hate her so much. But I will continue acting calm as though nothing has happened until she gives us a child. Hopefully a son. When she does that, we'll deal with her.
What I will do to Olama, she will not see the sky for many seasons. I will strike her with a bandidem. She will be bedridden for the rest of her life. She will not see the sky. And I'll bring Odumodo to pronounce that sickness befell her because of her infidelity. And her parents will cover their faces in shame. They'll be so ashamed of her and they will reject her.
I am so proud of you.
I'm your mother.
This will make me very happy. Then I will take another maiden as my wife.
Of course!
Who will truly love me and take care of me.
I have so many beautiful maidens. Homemade beautiful maidens. Homemade.
Did that useless Ogbanje prepare anything to eat? I am hungry.
Don't worry. I'm here. I am your mother. Let me quickly get you something to eat.
Easy. Keki me. My mama Muke. Where are you up to? I'm going to meet that merchant that deals with traditional attires.
Yeah. So you are serious about this Dike's visit?
Yes, so I am very serious. Dike is coming in the next Nkwo market day. He's very serious, so.
I'm so happy for you.
Thank you.
Hey, but what about Ejofo?
Ibiakwana, Kenke with Ejofo now.
Is Ejofo not a human being?
Ejofo is there. You don't know what happened.
What happened?
Dike almost killed him the other day.
Why?
That one that behaves like goats. He was dragging me on the road. Dike now saw us and was asking him to leave. He refused. Dike beat him like a goat that he is. I was even the one that begged him not to kill him. I was the one that begged on his behalf. Yes. Yes. I was the one that begged on his behalf. A foolish boy.
Manene, this Ejofo really loves and cares for you.
Nkechi, stop it. Stop it. What is it? Mother na hapu ebe a na-echi ọzọ gawa ebe a na-arụ agwụ. Achọkwa m ya. Ka na-ekwu okwu maka Dike ị na-akọrọ m stupid ejiofor.
Ndo. Anyways, I'm happy for you.
Hey, that's what I want to hear. Should be happy for me. Your friend is getting married. You're talking about Ejiko afa mmadụ ka afọ ewu. Kama achọkwana ga achọ that day.
I'll be there. Fan direct.
Let me not look for you, Nkechi.
I will be there. Don't forget to keep utara for me.
Don't worry. Ma bacha, you believe you get it, no?
Nsogbu adịrọ.
Abakwala late.
Aga m abịa ọsịsọ. Ngwa ka ọ dịba.
Nne.
You are awake?
Yes, I am. Have you seen Olama?
No, I've not seen her. I thought you two are together. You went in together last night?
I have been searching for her. I thought she was with you.
No, she's not with me. I have not set my eyes on her this morning. I've not seen her.
Or did you send her somewhere?
How could I possibly send her somewhere? Someone I have not seen this morning. I did not see her, so I did not send her anywhere. What is going on?
Hold on, I am coming.
What is going on?
Ne.
What is it?
Her bag is gone.
How?
Her jewelries, all her personal belongings, everything that belongs to her, is not in the hut.
Did you have any quarrel?
No, nothing.
So did you argue? Did you scold her? Did you tell her something she did not like?
No, we had a peaceful couple night until this morning. The way that hut is scattered, it seems as though she packed her things in a hurry. I don't understand.
No. I cannot understand this. What is going on? What happened? Hey.
No, what do we do?
We have to quickly confirm if she's safe. And then go find out if she went back to her father's hut or she went another lover.
Or do I go to Ini Edo and ask her?
No. You cannot even think about it. You cannot go there directly. I'll have to find someone to sniff around to find out if she came back to their hut. I don't want to create unnecessary tension there. If you go there now, they'll begin to suspect something.
Olama must be brought back to this home because I cannot be beaten twice by a mermaid.
Never.
How?
Never. She cannot defeat us. Not in this life. Just keep your eyes open, your ears open, and be back soon. Just be careful.
Okay. Hey! Olama.
Olama.
No.
Where are you coming from? Carrying your bag.
From Anocha.
You're coming from Anocha, carrying your bag and sneaking from the back. What is going on?
Father, Nam.
I am asking you a question. You're just staring at me. What happened?
Nam, I no longer want to remain married to Nana.
What? What happened? Did he beat you up? Olama, talk to me. Now talk to your father. I'm asking you, what happened? Why are you back with your bag?
Nam, I cannot stand here and have this discussion with you. Please, I want to go in and drop my bag. Come Zoike. Biko.
Biko Nanya. Olama, I married you off to a good man and you have been living peacefully. Suddenly you come back here with your bag and looking so anxious, and I'm asking you what happened, and you are telling me, hey, you want to go inside. Olama, when did you start to disrespect me? When?
Father, I am not disrespecting you.
What are you doing right now? What is it you're doing?
Biko, let me go in and drop my bag. I need to rest first.
Udenta, what do you make of this?
I am not surprised.
What do you mean you are not surprised?
You see, some time ago, I came here to tell you something. But since you were not at home, I told your wife. Now, that is exactly what is manifesting.
What are you talking about? What is it that is manifesting? Why are you speaking in parables?
Somebody told me that Olamma visited Dike 3 market weeks ago, then rushed back to Anocha. She did not know that she was seen by somebody.
This my Olamma visited this community.
I told your wife, but she said, please do not tell my husband. So I did not tell you.
And you agreed? No, Udenta. You agreed with my wife not to tell me. That means you conspired with my wife to rub mud on my face.
Madoka.
Udenta, why? Udenta, how could you? Hey! Udenta, how could you deny me such important information? How could you?
Madoka, it is not what you think. Listen. When I told your wife, she said she will go and investigate. In fact, she even promised to go to an orchard to confront your daughter and find out the truth from her. Eh? So I've been waiting for the result of the investigation.
You have seen it. No, you have seen the result of the investigation. You have seen it. My daughter just came back. From nowhere. A daughter you participated in getting her married. Udenta, I am disappointed, let me tell you. I did not expect this from you. Eh? So that means I have been living with enemies. Enemy inside my house and enemy beside me. That is Gongwa. Ekutos. Hi, Ekutos. Ekutos! Ekutos! Wait. Udenta, give way. Give way. I am ending this nonsense today. Since my own daughter cannot explain to me why she left her husband's house, that hooligan called Dike, he must explain it today.
But you did not give her a chance to explain, did you? You were not shouting at her.
Udenta, stop supporting bad behavior. Stop supporting bad behavior, okay, Udenta? Stop it, it's not good. You are an elder. Listen to me. Since that Dike came into my household, I can no longer recognize my daughter. My own daughter. You saw how she disrespected me here. You witnessed it yourself. And you're asking me to take it easy. Take what easy? I am ending all that nonsense now.
But listen, we have to be careful. Yes, we have to be very, very careful so that we do not create more problems, even bigger problems, trying to solve one.
Udenta, you know me very well. You know me. I will not create a problem that I cannot solve. Give way. If you're not going with me, you stay back. I am equal to the task. Look here. Yeah, hey! Dike! Stop there. Hey, Nine. Who is Nagi? Who is your father? Huh? Who is your father? If you don't tell me what you're doing with my daughter, I'll cut your 2 legs right now.
I don't understand. What happened?
I ask you again. What are you doing with my daughter behind my back? A married woman. Huh?
I am not doing anything with your daughter.
Look at this lying buffoon. So you do not know that we know that Olamma has been visiting you from her husband's house. Yeah? A married woman. Don't you know it's an abomination?
No, she only came here once, and I wasn't the one who...
Look at you. Now you have made her leave her husband's house and go back to her father's house. What do you intend to do with her? Now, what are your plans?
Did you say Olamma left Her marriage? And where is she now?
Look at this girl. We are asking you very important questions and you are adding insult to injury. Look at him.
Bia, Dike, or whatever is your name. It seems you do not know the seriousness of what you have done. Do you know if I report this matter to the Igbo, you will be banished from this land? Are you aware?
The use of this village will first of all beat you up mercilessly and then chase you into the evil forest for tampering with another man's wife.
I am ready to receive any punishment for the love I have for Lama.
Look at him. Big for nothing. If I hear my daughter's name in your mouth again, this machete will land on your head. When you make it?
I'm sorry.
Now, let's go.
Very sorry. Please, my regards to Alama. Tell her that I will see her very soon.
I will see her very soon. If I see your miserable leg in my compound, I'm will strike with her. Tell Alama I will see her very soon.
Look at this.
If I meet today and I cut your two legs with this knife. I'm not here.
No, come and see Olama. Come and see her. Come and see her.
We did not do anything to her. No fight, no quarrel. We just woke up one morning and she was gone. It was from my contact I found out that she went back to her father's hut. That was insulting. A maiden I pampered even more than my own child, abandoning her marriage and walking away? No. Who does that?
Don't feel too bad yet. It is not easy for a woman to settle in a new home. She may have her own side of the story. Let's wait for her.
What other side of the story? I just told you exactly what happened. And you're saying, let's hear her and hear the other side of the story. Which responsible married woman will just wake up one morning and leave her husband's house? Abandon her husband's house back to her father's hut?
But our people do not judge a case based on one party's position.
It's shame to say there is no case here. There is no case at all. The reason we called you is this. We want you to lead us to her father's compound and bring her back to our compound where she belongs.
Oh.
It doesn't work that way. She's somebody's child. The best thing for you to do is to go with maybe one of your friends to her father's compound and hear her own version of the story.
We have confirmed everything. That is why we called you. We have confirmed it.
But it's not official yet. All you need to do is to get a keg of palm wine and a gift. Then you go with your friends, maybe one or two of your friends. Then hear her out and promise her that such will not happen again.
Yeah. We did nothing wrong to her. When my mother was talking, if you listen carefully, she mentioned that she pampers her more than me. We have done nothing wrong to her. She just woke up and left just like that.
Just like that?
You never can tell, Unana. You remember my wife, Adana. When I married her, she ran away. Everybody was looking for her, not knowing she ran to her maternal home. Until I got there, I heard the outside of the story, not knowing she had a secret misunderstanding with my own sister. So we settled it, and today she is back to her home with 5 children, and she is happy. Happy now, today, yes, she's happy.
It's you and the busy. We heard everything you said.
Thank you.
And we shall do accordingly and get back to you.
Thank you very much. I think I have to go to age grade meeting. I will see you.
It's all right. Thank you. Weak man. He is a weak man. Always justifying foolishness.
and ask him for necessary peace. Did you hear the way he's talking? Were you, like, did they convince you?
How?
That is the way he talks. If we take him there, will he be able to defend us? Would the people even hear him? Did he make one sense?
Aye.
Which man talks like that and still remains a man?
We just wasted our time.
More than wasting the time. That he's Hadana where I left. He was having. Why wouldn't the wife have a secret problem when he cannot even defend himself? How would he defend his own wife?
I am just angry that we invited a very useless Ichi. This marriage, we wanted to call it a quit on that day.
Yes.
He was the one who was pushing us, persuading us. Now look at it.
You need to marry her. She's a good girl. She's a good maiden. Her family is good. Now, you need to go and call the whole world to go and hear her own version of the story. We're trying to cover her. Only again her version of the story. Listen, do not mind. Do not mind in the beze. You are going to go and bring your wife back. Olama will come back. Are you not man enough?
Of course I am.
Were you not the person that married her?
Yes, I did.
Did you marry her and share her to do Mona?
How?
She's answerable to you. Therefore, Olama must come back here at once as your wife. Leave Uche in the beze. Did he help himself? Now she's in her home with 5 children. Maybe she came with the 5 children back from her maternal home. And
you have made so much sense. I have not done anything wrong to Olama. Neither has my mother. As a matter of fact, she has been the one maltreating me, disrespecting me, insulting me. I have never enjoyed this marriage since we got married. Yet, I did not complain because of the love I have for her as my wife. Not until recent, when she apologized and changed from her bad behaviors to good behaviors. And we were all celebrating. My mother was very happy. I was very happy as well.
You know me?
Yes. Then, one morning we woke up and Olama was nowhere to be found. Just like that.
She was gone.
We searched everywhere. Okay, all of this has happened. We still bear no grudges. The reason we came to you people is this. We want to take her back home where she belongs as my wife. That is why we're here.
Of course. My in-laws, my son has said everything that needs to be said. We are not here to do any case. We are peaceful people. We don't make trouble. We have come to take my daughter-in-law, my son's wife, back to our house. But maybe there's something my beautiful daughter-in-law does not like. She can freely say it here so that we can all settle it. We'll take her home as usual, the way it should be. The day is fast spent. You can see it's about to rain. We are wasting much time.
So you have come to take me with you to fulfill your evil plans? What an evil mother and son. Ha!
Olama, what are you talking about? What evil plans?
Olama.
I heard everything. The day you sent me on an errand to deliver a basket of yam to your friend. On my way, I realized I carried the wrong basket. So I hurried back to the hut, only for me to hear you people discussing on how you want to enslave and torment me. And your mother gladly applauded you for being just as evil as she is. Evil man!
What? Madoka, can you hear your daughter? Are you listening to your daughter's wicked fabrication? What is she talking about?
My in-law. My in-law.
Yes?
Stop interrupting my daughter. Stop interrupting my daughter. For your information, she has already told us why she left your house. Yes. So now that you are here, you better listen so that you confirm or deny her story.
Exactly. If you keep interrupting her, we are going to conclude that you have something to hide. Olama, fire on.
You were waiting for me to get pregnant and bear you a son before you take your revenge on me. You said you will never forgive me for the perceived offenses. Isn't it? And your wicked mother here also said that she's going to strike me with Obandide illness. Am I lying? Do you also want to deny this one?
Also?
Deny it!
What? Obandide?
Hey.
That is Akuku.
Nkojoya.
Hey! Alakupulotele. You!
My own daughter. My own daughter.
Nam. Now I understand what the mad woman said. Nam, do you know that Nana here has been married twice before? So? And his wicked mother frustrated those maidens and chased them away with her evil. Nana, have you ever wondered how your father died and what killed him?
Enough! Enough! I will not sit here and watch you insult me. If you do not want the marriage, fine. You can stay back in your father's house and stop ranting.
Mbao, don't you care to know the reason I left your home?
Don't you want to know? I do not need you to say more. You can keep it. Had I not known that this girl is an Obanje.
My daughter is not an Obanje. Let us concentrate on what brought us here and stop calling her names.
There's nothing to settle. Let us go.
But what about the bride price?
They can keep it. We do not need it. Why didn't I know that this girl is a bad luck, evil child?
Hey! My dear, you saw hell. You saw hell in this woman's...
Imagine. Oh, one did they? That is Akuku Kocha and Watakre. Look, my baby. Madam baby. If you not marry, start to the fantasies. Idiot. No, come and give her a bandit there. Don't worry. Okwanda. Hey.
My time going all through there.
I am tired. This marriage started with humiliation and has ended with even more humiliation. Look at me, Inde. I have been embarrassed.
We will find a better wife. We will find a better wife. Is she more beautiful than all the maidens in this kingdom? Do not worry about it. You know, going forward, if anyone should ask you about Olama, tell the person we rejected her because we discovered that she's an Obanje and we sent her home. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
We rejected her. Hey! My stomach.
What is it?
It is not good for me. It's like I've been poisoned.
No, nothing will happen to you, oh? Sorry.
I saw your mother from far. Where did she go to?
Listen, Ajeru, I do not have time for this, your madness. Leave me alone.
Like mother, like son. Where are all these evil people coming from? I saw the girl the day she was running. But who will not run from a witch and a wizard?
Leave my presence immediately before I shoot you with a stick.
I am not standing on your way. This path is for the human beings, for the spirits. I belong to humans and the spirit. I can walk, stand, and even sleep on it. Let me ask you, are you a son or a servant? Did she tell you the court she belongs to? She belongs to Ajuboshi, women's court. They control their sons
and their sons' wives. Did she even tell you why and how she killed her husband? Did she tell you how she killed her husband? Did she tell you how she killed her husband? Onyala! Get away from there! Do not mind her. She's an evil woman. It is her atrocity that made her mad. Now she wants everybody to be mad with her. To be mad alongside with her. Does it make sense? Because let's go. We don't have all the time. Let's go. You did not touch your food.
I am not hungry.
You're not hungry. This is something you have been saying since yesterday we came back from Ini Edo. Those people, did they do something evil to you? Apart from the cola, the abacha we ate there, did you eat any other thing there?
No. What that mad woman, Ajero, told me yesterday really touched me.
What a mad woman told you really touched you. I hope Ajero did not bite and transfer her madness to you.
Nothing happened to me.
Why are you talking as if you're in a dream? Are you a child or what?
You have made me so lonely. I am so lonely. Look at me. No father. No siblings. Not even a wife. Why? Why?
Nana, what kind of childish and stupid question is this? Was it my fault that you do not have other siblings? Was it not what your father gave me that I produced?
You killed my father. You killed him so he could not get another woman and bear more children for him. You told me this by yourself. Remember? Do you remember?
Nana, are you the one saying this to me?
Yes, I am the one saying this to you. I am the one. This is the third wife you are chasing away. Do you want me to die alone? No. Olama is intelligent. She's hardworking. She's beautiful.
Shut up.
I will not shut up. I won't. Enough. Enough of all this. You have taken everything from me. You have taken everything that I own, my soul, my life, my decision making. Enough is enough. I won't take it anymore from you.
So you have grown wings to stand before me, to challenge me because of one stupid maiden that do not amount to anything. No problem. We shall see.
There is nothing to see, Imne. There is nothing more to see because I have seen everything from you. I have seen how evil and demonic you are. You are so greedy and selfish. There is nothing more to see from you anymore. Enough! You have controlled my entire existence for your selfish and greedy reasons. You even want to control the breath I take. Today and now I say enough is enough.
So, you want me to leave you alone?
Yes, leave me alone. Leave me alone. Stay away from my life.
Olama, take this, go to Zoma's house and get me bitter leaf for soup.
Nay, I've never disrespected you, and I wish not to. Kindly send Dike now to get the bitter leaves for you. I feel so ashamed of myself. I don't want to go to anywhere.
Hey. Ikenna has gone to fetch firewood. Nne, listen. You have not done anything to be ashamed of. It has been 1 market week since you came back, and you have refused to step your feet outside this compound. You are sad every moment of the day, and you are also making us sad.
I don't understand life anymore. I lost the only man I loved to my friend. And the one I was trying to love betrayed me. I am not happy. I am not happy. I don't even know the direction my life is taking.
Nne, you should be thankful to the gods that you were able to discover the evil plan of Mbafo and her son instead of lamenting. Your mates are not all married, are they?
And they were never married and returned to their father's hut.
Nemo, stop thinking like that. Some worthy-looking men out there will happily have you as their wife. But that will not happen because you are always in the hut. Achalugum, Jebenzili, oh, go, oh, oh Malicha, oh Yirineya, oh Kunya, oh, 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 my beautiful daughter. Hey. Hurry up and come back, oh? Oh Malicham. Achalugum, elelebe jolum, chai.
I was even planning to come to your father's hut to see you because of all the things I have been hearing.
Things like what?
A lot of things. Some people said you were chased out because you are an Obanje. Some said it's because you could not get pregnant. But I know it's all lies. I believe you. I know what you can do.
My dear friend, I tell you, it's all lies. To not pay attention to those cheap gossips. I left because I discovered my mother-in-law and her son wants to do something harmful to me. I had to run for my dear life. The worst part is that this woman is controlling her son.
You did well, my sister. It's better to be alive in your father's hut than to be dead in one useless husband's hut.
Exactly my point in Nemo. Hey, Biko, tell me, what is happening in this Ini Edo? You always have something to say.
Many things is happening, no? Isioma, our friend, is getting married to Dike.
Isioma. I know. But I never knew she's this desperate. Yeah. So they are going ahead?
Yes. They have done her introduction. But Isioma has packed her things to go and live with Dike, even without him paying the dowry. She's so desperate.
My dear friend, do not worry yourself. For if the gods has approved their union, who are we to disapprove? Let's just forget about them and focus on other things. Oh, where are you up to?
I'm heading to Mazi Okeke's house to deliver a message for my mother.
Okay, Omaka. I want to get some bitter leaf for my mother too.
I would have escorted you, but I need to hurry up.
It's okay. Oh, Jisike.
Okay.
You think I don't know?
Know what?
That you've left that miserable marriage of yours.
Leave me alone, Dike. Leave me.
My love, I've been monitoring you. I come all the way to Anyocha village just to have a glimpse of you.
Lies. I also have been monitoring you. You are now married to Isioma, my friend. And she lives with you as your wife. Stay away from me, Dike. Stay put to your wife, to that thing you call a wife. Stay away from me.
My love, let's go to my house. Let me show you something.
I will go nowhere with you. I am not going anywhere with you. Dike, leave me alone. Dike! Dike, bring me down. Dike, I will. Dike, leave me alone.
Opa. Cosa. Adego. Opa, look at
Nah, there is problem more.
What problem?
Nai, I sent Olama to get me bitter leaves from Uzoma's house. Long ago, I waited and waited. I didn't see Olama. I went out only to see my basket by the roadside. I went to Uzoma's house. Uzoma said she never saw my daughter.
So, what do you mean by this? That my daughter is missing or what? Did you ask people on the way?
Yes, Nai, and nobody saw her.
Since Olama came back from Anocha, she has not been herself. She has become strange and her behavior has become strange and worrisome. What is going on?
I hope Mbafu and her daughter have not done anything to my daughter.
I don't know anything about that, but all I am sure about is since that so-called warrior, Dike, since he barged into my daughter's wedding ceremony, my daughter has not been the same person. Her character has changed.
Nai, I had a dream last night about some strange-looking, dangerous men kidnapping my daughter. And we tried to help her. She started laughing and asked us not to worry.
What type of dream is that?
Nai, I don't know. I just want my daughter back.
To help her, and she started laughing.
How do we locate her? I'm very worried. Hey, one more.
Wait for me.
Olama, you again? You left your husband's hut to my own husband's hut to do what? What kind of a magic behavior is this?
Shut up! You imposter.
Dike.
Asim Dike, shut up. Dike Obogu. Asim Dike. You forced that useless introduction on me. And you know I never loved you. You know it. Before I left this house, I asked you to leave and never to come back. So what are you still doing here?
I should be asking you that. What is she doing here? Is this her husband's house? What are you doing with another man's wife in your hut when your own wife is here?
Never! You are not my wife! You are not. Did you hear me?
You came to my parents' home to ask for my hand in marriage. And now you're doing this. You want to push me away.
Introduction is not marriage. I was never interested in getting married to you. You pushed me to that introduction. So, you have an excuse to come live with me. But sorry, it's all over.
Sisialo. It's Sisialo. You're not serious. I'm not leaving this place.
I am serious. I am serious. Because I have brought home the woman after my heart for her to take her proper place. Because of her, I refused going for many more battles. Because of her, I've lost friends, but I don't care. Because of her, I've been embarrassed before the people of Ini Edo community, but I still don't care. But you know what? Leave this place now before I throw you out.
Now.
Dike, you chased Ejiofor away. Someone who was willing to marry me, and now you want to push me away.
Lie! It's Womoge. Nobody chased anybody away. You were being molested by a young man in the bush, and I intervened. That has been my nature. And it has nothing to do with love or marriage. You've been the one throwing yourself at me. I tolerated it because I don't know what to do. But the woman after my heart has come to occupy her space. So you have to leave. Go take your things and leave this place.
You're the cause of all this. You're the cause of all this. You're the cause of all this rubbish. Why can't you stay in your husband's house?
Take your
What
things
is wrong with you?
and leave this place. Leave this place.
My love is you that I need in moon. All I'm my one, your man, Nanigi will be mine. Many rejected me, called me orphan. Many rejected me, they think I'm poor. Man, all I'm on, Ichibwa begin love for more. All I'm on, Ichibwa begin love for more. All I'm on, Yakute Muso, on your money, love more. Together, baby, more.
Yeah, get on in there, back. Who is here? Who is here? Dike?
Dike!
Is there nobody? Yeah.
Is my daughter Olama here? We sent her on an errand since morning, and she's yet to return.
Olama is inside sleeping, and she asked me not to wake her up until she's done.
What? My daughter sleeping in your house? Oh, so this has been your plan all along. That is why you were asking me the other day where my daughter was. So this was your plan, eh?
Nice, it's not what you think. I can explain.
Keep quiet there. Keep quiet there. Explain what? Explain what exactly? You kidnapped my daughter and you have the guts to be saying you will explain. Eh? You kidnap somebody's daughter and then you want to explain why you kidnapped the person. Listen, I have been soft on you all this while for the sake of my daughter. But now you have taken me for granted. Right now, I'm taking your case to the Igwe and you're going to suffer the consequences.
Nai, it's not what you think or the way you're thinking it.
It is exactly what I'm thinking. You kidnapped my daughter. You were asking me the other day, hey, where is he? Oh, she came back. Now you went behind me to kidnap my daughter.
Obure Hiche.
Yeah? Olama.
No.
What are you doing here? And we're looking for you all over the place. What?
No, I am sorry. I know I've overstayed. But please don't be angry. It's not Dike's fault. Also? Do not blame him. Nam, we actually have a plan of coming to see you.
Planning to come and see me for us? How? For what?
Nai, we were planning.
Nam, this is where I belong. This is where I found my happiness. Nam, this is where I will be happy for the rest of my life. Please do not deny me of this happiness. Pico.
So what have you said? What have you said? Is that the reason why you left the errand and came to stay in a man's house? Eh? Like an untrained child. Is that how we trained you?
Nai, it's not what you think. I am actually planning to come with my kinsmen and complete the marriage rites. And make Olama my wife. Please. I do not want what happened before to happen again. Biko, eweniwe.
You say you want to do what? Can I hear you again?
I want to come with my kingsmen and complete the marriage rite. Biko.
Now you're talking. This is what you should have said all along. But I hope it will not be like before. That you come and then you run away again to whatever battle that we did not send you.
Mbanai, it will not be like before. Even if I'm going to fight again, I will fight for Olamma.
It's okay. It's okay. Olamma, I have had him. Let us go. When he is ready, he will come. Then I will know he is actually ready. For now, let us go. Let's go to the house. Let us go, Olamma. Naga. Okay, uche with the choir.
Na uche
with the choir. Here very mbo gali beko ozo.
Oma mezi. Oma mezi. It's a promise from Dike.
Dalo. My God.
Okay. Dalo nai.
Hey! Hey!
Who are you? You want to try Dike, then no mercy for you. Abuna makolama, ijela fumo. Onye kibuzi, imama kaniru. Onye kibuzi, inarumo kema. Apu imadonye mbu, umajela kumelie. Umadasa, jidodum dobwe. Mubu Dike mbaje joko melie. The mighty, Dike,